David, we're here today at the Arts University in Bournemouth. You've recently installed a couple of machines here, but it's not the only exciting news on the agenda at the moment. Tell us about an event that's happening in the very near future.
Yeah, Wednesday, October the 9th is our official opening of our new facility. We've moved into a 26,000 square foot brand new facility, totally fitted out for Hurco, big demo area, additional training rooms, and very excited to invite people.
And this is off the back of a tremendously successful few years, isn't it?
Yeah, we were in our previous building 16 years, and on average we grew about 10% a year. The best year being 2018, where we 26 million growth, 55 people now at Hurco.
So you were bursting at the seams. You've moved into the new place. What can people expect to see if they visit on October the 9th?
There's a much bigger demo area, so we're able to show 11 machines all powered up, all cutting, but also there's a better hospitality area, there's additional capacity for training, there's more to see, and obviously what the main reason for moving was to give us more capacity to prepare and ship machines.
Will there be any new technology on show that hasn't been seen before in the let's say the older showroom?
What you'll see is you'll see a broader range. We're saving new product for the Mac show in 2020, but what you'll see is a good coverage of all the 5-axis machines we offer, and small to large 3-axis machines, plus 3 lathes will be on show.
Okay, and how do they find you? Because if they knew where you were before, where are you now?
Yeah, they can use. Unfortunately, we're only about 500 metres from the previous building. We've moved from Halifax Road to Lancaster Road. But I think if you work on Google Maps, you'll find us without too much trouble. We're right near Junction 4 of the M40.
So there you have it, October the 9th, the opening of the brand new facility at Hurco. Get that date in your diary. Register for the event at hurco.co.uk.